National outrage is growing as people demand answers from Haryana's Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda. Just yesterday, two widows were lynched by their relatives in Bhiwani in Haryana, even as the entire village stood by watching. The police arrived hours later after their bodies were left on the streets. The men who murdered them, after casting aspersions on their character, were later taken into custody. But what is shocking was the Chief Minister himself saying that the incident was a common one and there was nothing alarming about it.
ऐसा these incidents happen, लेकिन law and order situation is better in यहाँ. Individual incidents happen, that always happens, and nobody is allowed to take law in his own hand. जो भी कोई होता है, भी action होता है उसको.
It's a general patriarchal syndrome where it's the man who matters and the woman is nothing. Now, in such a scenario, for a chief minister to come up and say that it's an aberration where women have been pathetically, brutally damaged physically, I think this is most unbecoming. It is time that this attitude changes. It is just extremely intolerable to have this kind of an attitude, particularly from a chief minister, and I would really implead that there should be some gender sensitivity in that area.
We have been saying it. I have personally met Chief Minister and I have already discussed the matter, and he says, of course, it's a matter of the culture, but for culture you don't kill people. You don't burn women. How could he say that it's a small burning two women? I mean, it's only women know what kind of a consequence their life will lead into if they have any kind of problem. If husband is not there, who knows who was exploiting them. So I think it's absolutely irresponsible. He has to swing into action immediately. All the culprits should be apprehended and put behind the bar, and a message should go loud and clear from Haryana's political leadership that this is intolerable. This will not be tolerated, so that at least the other women's lives are safe.